The question I get asked again and again by customers is, where should I use a soft starter and where should I use a variable speed drive? Customers very often think that this is a straightforward question, but very often it's not, and there are subtleties around each individual application that need to be carefully considered. Soft starters are focused on fixed speed applications and drives on variable speed ones where flow, pressure or speed can be regulated. This is a situation that does have grey areas, and you need to carefully consider the choice that you make each and every time. If you've got requirements for motor control and in particular soft starter technology, contact the team at LC Automation today and they'll be pleased to help you. Thanks for watching. I'm Gavin Highfield of AuCom.